Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Microsoft hosted network virtual adapter missing in device manager. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's get start. Okay guys, first of all going to your in the search box and type a device manager, open device manager. After doing this step, go to your click on a view, and after doing this step, click on a show hidden devices. Click on show hidden devices and find out a virtual adapter. After that, close it. The second method is that in the search box type of services, open services, and after doing this step, find out W LAN auto config. Now here is a WLAN auto config. Open it and make sure that is selected automatic. Click on automatic. Click on start, apply, and OK button. And after that, restart the services. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your start menu, go to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and after doing this step, find out a network adapter. Click on run the network adapter. Click next to continue. After I close it, after doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.